In this video, how to use the motion path feature in Camtasia. The motion path feature in Camtasia allows you to animate objects, text, or media within your video by defining the movement between different points on the canvas. You can find the motion path from the Visual Effects section. Set start and end points for the animation. After setting the start and end points, a motion path will appear between these 2 points on the canvas. You can add more keyframes in between to create complex motion paths, like zigzag, circular, or curved movements. From the line style, instead of following a curve, you can switch it to a straight line for more precise control. The Auto Orient feature in Camtasia ensures that your object remains properly aligned throughout its movement, providing a polished and professional look to your animations. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.